Hello and welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are comparing two of the top travel credit cards in 2025, the Capital One Venture X and the Chase Sapphire Reserve. Let's take a look at what each one offers and which card might be right for you. The Capital One Venture X comes with a $395 annual fee, $300 travel credit, 1000 anniversary bonus miles, and unlimited 2x miles on everything. You also get priority pass lounge access, Capital One lounge, and strong travel protection. The Chase Sapphire Reserve costs more, $550 annually, but offers $300 flexible travel credit, 3x points on travel and dining, access to priority pass lounges. Points are worth 50% more when redeemed through Chase Travel, and the card includes premium perks like Lyft Pink, DoorDash benefits, and primary rental car coverage. Chase points also transfer for more travel partners, which can offer greater value for frequent flyers. If you are looking for a lower annual fee with strong benefits and straightforward rewards, Venture X is a great choice. But if you travel often, spend a lot on dining, and use Chase partners, the Sapphire Reserve offers more flexible value, especially for point transfers. Choose based on your travel style, how you spend, and which ecosystem you prefer.